make the most out of your Black Friday email campaigns? Well, you've come to the right place. This is Nabila with Mailmint, and today I'm going to share 4 essential email subject line tips that's going to make sure that your emails stand out and gets opened. So let's dive in. First up, it's all about discounts and savings. Customers are always on the lookout for great deals. So make sure you're highlighting the discounts that you're offering. Be bold in your subject lines and clearly communicate the magnitude of the savings that you're offering. For example, you can use subject lines like this: unlock massive savings this Black Friday, up to 50% off. In this case, there's no room for hesitation. Your customers already know that they're going to score big if they open your email. Next, let's spark curiosity and anticipation with mysteries and teasers. People love surprises and they love getting exclusive offers. So create subject lines that hint at something exciting is gonna happen on Black Friday. Make them curious and eager to open your email. Try something like this: something big is coming. Black Friday secrets revealed. This will pique their interest and make them curious about what you have in store for them. Providing guides and gift ideas can be a great way of email marketing this season. You and I both know how stressful Black Friday shopping can be. So you can position yourself as a stress-free go-to guide for your customers during the Black Friday season. So you can offer personalized gift guides and ideas for your customers so that they can find the perfect gift for their loved ones. Consider using subject lines like stress-free Black Friday shopping, your ultimate gift guide. Now, this subject line is pretty straightforward, right? It shows that you understand your customers' needs and are always there to assist them. And this will later on help you create a trusting relationship with your customers. Now, this final tip is used by most of the companies and works most of the time. Now, you can use an urgency or exclusivity in your email subject lines, such as exclusive Black Friday shopping, limited time only. You can also add phrases like act fast, don't miss out, or maybe time's running out. Now, these triggers will trigger the fear of missing out emotion in your customer. It increases the chances of immediate engagement and ensures that your customers don't delay their purchase decisions. So go ahead and use this email subject line tips to enhance your next Black Friday email marketing campaign. You can also explore tools like chatgpt to utilize the AI for creating captivating subject lines. Check out Mailmint that has an integration with chatgpt so that you can create email subject lines, email preview text, and email copies right from the tool. And there's a huge 35% discount going on Mailmint this Black Friday. Visit our deal page and grab the discount now. Stay tuned for the next video. Take care.